This morning's not looking so good. If you can't watch your favorite team's game, come on, a little more. Go!
Oops.
Betty's at it again, and her team seems to be winning. I'm sick of it, Betty. Shh, sis, we're winning. Oh, yeah? Finish your match on the floor. You shouldn't do that, Julia. Oh, what are you gonna do to me? Are you gonna put me in a corner?
Oops.
Oh no, Betty has a different idea. There's a division of property ahead. As you wish, Betty. Then we begin. A little more and we'll be done with the bed. That's not fair, Julia. Keep up. Oh, right. I am keeping up. Done. One big bed turned into 2 small beds. And it's time for a color challenge. Charging the bows. Fire! And it's a direct hit. All that's left is to check what's under the arrows. Betty gets the green, Julia gets pink. And here comes the battle of the year. Which will win, the pink or the green? The best color challenges start with building secret rooms. Julia already has an idea. All she needs is building materials. What's she up to? Is she building a pink palace? And Julia's already putting her room together. She just needs to connect the pieces. It's almost like a construction set. Don't peek, Betty! The frame of the secret room is ready. What's next on the plan? And Betty is confused. What to do about this? All right, let's just copy Julia's idea. Trays on the sides and a bed on top. Easy peasy. Betty, my bed is better anyway. We'll see about that. Sister has terrible manners, but let's not get distracted. It's time to start decorating the pink room. Elmer's glue will solve any construction problems. Applying glue to the surface of the tray and decorate the walls with the thinnest wrapping paper.
Wow.
Oops, looks like Betty's in a bit of trouble. And she comes out of it brilliantly. Tape the walls with silver insulation. It reflects the green hues perfectly. Wow, it looks gorgeous. What is that? Ugh. Wait, green? That's what I need. The green sheet is a great find. What are you looking at, Julia? Do your own decorating. The pink wallpaper is already on the walls. Ta-da! But Betty did better. A little magic. Tool, show up! Where is it? Oops. Wow, my pink house will get even better. You're not the only smart one here, Betty. Let's get to work. The emerald room under the bed is almost ready. Except we have to do something about the ceiling. Resolved. Let's hide the wooden slats behind green paper. The secret to a beautiful wall is crumpled tulle and a little imagination. By the way, pink goes well with violet. Let's fix the tulle waves to the wall.
Wow.
This is so beautiful. It looks very tasty. Oops, I mean classy. But Betty still has plenty of ideas. The lighting really sets the atmosphere.
Wow.
Let's add more lights then. Fixing LED tapes around the perimeter of the bed. Betty, what are you doing there? Ouch, it hurts. Oh, wow, you're a loser. Hey, stop laughing. Oh, that's an idea. Julia has a whole box of soft pom-poms. Catch this, Betty. Oops, gotcha. I think someone's about to get in trouble. But there's no time to quarrel. Julia has an important task. She needs to soften the sides. It's easy. Double-sided tape and pom-poms. Let's do this. The more, the better. Soft pom-poms against injury. What a beautiful color. My favorite. The main thing is to not get tangled up in this green confusion. Let's cover the LED tape with tulle. Green lights. Isn't it wonderful?
Oh my God.
There will be beauty and comfort in my pink house. It's perfect. Oops, but it's still hard.
Wow.
Yep, That's what we need. It would be much more comfortable with a soft plaid. Meanwhile, Betty comes out to scout. Interesting idea. Betty wants that kind of decor too. But make it green. And yes, the plaid shouldn't just lie around. The secret houses are now soft and cozy. This is heaven. But Betty came up with something else. This cardboard will be enough. All that's left is to cut her idea out. Hey, Betty, be careful! Stay out of the way, Julia. This cardboard flame will be the center of the room, and it will be green, according to the rules of the challenge. What a bold style, just the way Betty likes it. Sister has something interesting in mind. I'd like to see that. Green fire right in the room? That's original. But Julia will do better than that. Cardboard bunny, you're up. And we also need soft foam rubber. And upholstery, pink, of course. You can't break the rules of the challenge. Cover the bunny, cut and sew it together. The installation is ready. Only the lights are missing. Betty certainly doesn't have this pink beauty. Wait, this is the secret room, isn't it? We need to hide it properly. A light chiffon curtain will do the trick. Wow, it looks like a princess's secret palace. So, what's next? A lid from a round box? That's a thought. We glue the inner walls of the lid over with a shiny foam sheet. The bottom too must be covered, like this. Let's keep going. Now we need a tight partition. Fasten it in the center. Now a bit of shiny decor. A thin crescent and a small star. Let's hook a loop for convenience. Hang the lid on the wall. The shelf for beauty stuff is ready. Beautiful and very practical. No way! Betty has already worked on her image. We have to speed up. Oh yeah, little Betty's already on her green style. But the interior still needs green ideas. I wonder what can be made out of this square aquarium. It would be something incredible. Get a slime in here. More slime. I love anti-stresses. We put the slime on the bottom of the glass cube. Nice work. And snakes will live in the aquarium. They look just like the real thing. You can't go anywhere with those skulls. They're so creepy, Julia won't go near them. Put a piece of dense cardboard on top. This is a masterpiece of sinister art. The table will hold flasks of dangerous reagents. Chemistry is Betty's favorite subject. Oh, Julia can't understand. And her sister's already changed. Pink and velour are made for each other. But it's no time to rest. Let's make a soft buffet. And to start, we will wrap some plastic bottles with duct tape. Glue pieces of cardboard to the top and the bottom. And here will be a soft seat. Now for the fun part. Let's cover the poof with pink fabric. Cut off the excess and fix the edge. Yay! Julia has almost a royal throne.
Hi.
Well, Julia has a poof. So, Betty will have a bench, a school locker door, some foam rubber, and green satin for upholstery. Voila! Half the work is done. Install the seat on the legs from duct tape, and it looks very sturdy. And how convenient! What about a second door? If you add rope, it makes a great shelf. Step 1, pass the rope through the holes. Step 2, fasten it to the ceiling. It's done! Let these cuties stand here. Betty is a jack of all trades. Something needs to be done with the old toys. Oh, my favorite train! That's a fortune. And everything is so cute and pink. Okay, here we go. Let's build the railroad and start the train. And it's even more fun with these bright bridges. The rest of the toys will be waiting for the train on the platform. And the wagons will contain the most valuable stuff. Candy! Choo-choo! Let's go. Grab the goodies while the train is passing by. The sweet game could go on forever. A candy train? Big deal. Betty can do much better than that. Let's put up that drape first. That's it. No spy will look into the green room. But it's gotten dark in here, and something must be done about it. A lamp will save the dark situation, except the lampshade is too cute. We'll replace it with a metal mesh, and then decorate with duct tape. You can never have too much green.
Okay.
And we'll put synthetic clouds on the top and bottom. Oh, I almost forgot. Let's add green lava. And we have a volcano. Let's check out how it works. Wow, that's the magic of green. Betty is the lord of the room volcano.
Oh my god.
It's so boring without pranks. Hey, Betty, how's it going? Green candy, nice present. But you can get more candy. That was the last straw, Julia. Betty doesn't understand. Sure she does. She's going to make such a mess. Look out, Julia. I'm coming to you. There's nowhere to go. Oh my goodness! There's a sticky alien in the room. Help! Run! Run, sister! More for me. Where are the green goodies? Gotcha, my sweets. While the aliens are still here, we can hide in the green room. It's so interesting and ominous. Those are Betty's glasses. This is the perfect moment for a prank. Look, Betty, it's over for your glasses. What's Julia up to? I can't see a thing. Oh no, she decided to dissolve the glasses in acid. Julia, don't do that.
Oh, no. Please.
Glasses for candy, Betty! Don't you dare! I'll eat your goodies! Stop! This is not good. Someone's coming. It's Mom! Oh, she'll be so mad about the color challenge.
Oh, no.
They will both be in trouble. Pretending to be asleep is the best idea. Oh, I wish it would work. Girls, it's me. How are you? The children are asleep. Oh, they're so cute. Sweet dreams, Julia. Sleep tight, Betty. What a mess they made out of the place. But it's all right. We can clean it up in the morning. Yay! Mom didn't notice anything. We made it, Betty. Only thanks to me, Julia. The color challenge went great. I can't wait for the next one.